Students, today we are reading types of farming. This is the flow chart of types of farming. There are various ways in which farming is practiced throughout the world. The classification of farming depends on factors such as geographical conditions, demand of produce, labor, and level of technology. Based on the above factors, the two types of farming are subsistence farming and commercial farming. Subsistence farming, this type of farming is practiced mainly to meet the basic needs of the farmer's family. This farming method uses low level of technology and only household labor is used to produce small output on a small patch of land. It is further subclassified as intensive subsistence farming, primitive subsistence farming. Intensive subsistence farming, the farmer cultivates a small plot of land and uses simple machine and use of more labor depending on the availability of right climate and soil as well as rainfall and other means of irrigation. A farmer can grow more than one crop in a year in the same plot. The main crop grown is rice and the other crops are wheat, maize, pulse, oil seeds. This intensive subsistence farming is common in the areas of monsoon region of South, Southeast, East Asia. Let us take primitive subsistence farming. Primitive subsistence farming. This is also a small scale farming pattern of primitive nature. It is further classified into two types: shifting cultivation, nomadic herding. Shifting cultivation, it is mainly practiced in the thickly forested areas of Amazon basin, tropical Africa, parts of Southeast Asia, Northeast India. There are the areas which receive very heavy rainfall and the ground vegetation underground regenerates quickly. A plot of land is cleared by felling the trees and burning them. The ashes are then mixed up with the soil and then crops like yam, potatoes, maize and cassava are grown. Once the soil loses its fertility, the land is abandoned and the cultivators move to a new plot. Now we are taking nomadic herding. This farming method involves herdsmen moving from one place to another along with animals in search of food and water, all along defined routes. This type of movement is due to climatic conditions and terrain. The animals that are commonly reared are yak, sheep, camel, goat, which provide products such as milk, meat, wool, hide, and other products to the herders and their families. This type of farming is mainly practiced in semi-arid, arid region of North Africa, Central Asia, parts of India such as Rajasthan, Jammu Kashmir, and Ladakh. Now let's take the second activity, commercial agriculture, commercial farming. In commercial farming, crops are produced on a large scale for sale in the market. In this type of farming, animals are also reared for sale in the market. This type of farming requires large land holdings, modern technologies, huge amount of capital. Most of the work is done by machines. The main object of this farming method is to get higher income by getting a higher yield from the field. Farmers use high yielding variety of seeds, fertilizers, pesticides and better means of irrigation. So students, these are the activities. We are now taking commercial grain farming. Commercial grain farming. In this type of farming, crops are grown and animals are reared mainly for sale in the market. This type of farming is practiced in large farms and the amount of capital is used at a large scale. This requires heavy machinery for sowing, plowing, harvesting, spraying pesticides. In some areas, pesticides are sprayed with the help of aircraft. Major areas where commercial grain farming is practiced are temperate grassland of North America, Europe, Asia. These areas are sparsely populated with huge farms spreading over hundreds of hectares. Severe winters restrict agriculture to the growth of only a single crop in the growing season. Then we are taking plantation. Plantation farming. In this type of farming, crops such as tea, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, rubber, banana, cotton are grown. Huge amount of capital and labor is required. The produce is generally processed in the farm itself or in nearby factories. For practicing this type of farming, developed means of transport is available. Major plantation farms are found in the tropical regions of the world. Rubber cultivation in Malaysia, coffee in Brazil, tea in India and Sri Lanka. Now we are taking mixed farming. In this farming, land is used for growing food and fodder crops and livestock is also reared. Due to large time gap between sowing and harvesting of crop, farmers engage themselves in rearing livestock. This gives them additional income by selling animal produce such as dairy products, wool, pork, fish, poultry, etc. It is mainly practiced in Europe, Eastern USA, Argentina, Southeast Australia, New Zealand and South Africa. Thank you students.